In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Google Workspace version in just about 5 minutes. This is a handy guide for anyone managing their organization's Google Workspace account, or for individuals keen to understand which version they're currently signed up for. Getting started, the journey begins by navigating to the Google Workspace website. You'll find this platform to be a gateway to a plethora of Google's business tools and services tailored to enhance your organization's productivity and collaboration. Once you're there, the next step is to select your Google account. This is crucial because Google Workspace accounts are typically associated with specific Google accounts, especially if you're managing multiple accounts or if you have a personal account aside from your professional one. After selecting the account, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Security first, right? Making sure that only authorized users have access to your Google Workspace settings is key to maintaining your organization's data security. Following the sign-in process, you'll click on Next to proceed. Google has designed a seamless sign-in process, so you should find yourself moving along without any hitch. Now look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice an icon made up of square dots. This is your app launcher icon, and clicking on it will unveil a variety of Google services and applications available to you. It's time to dive deeper into the management side of things. You'll want to go to the admin console. Here's where the heart of Google Workspace administration lies. The console allows you to manage everything from user accounts, billing and subscriptions to security settings and more. From the admin console, your next destination is the billing section. This area is crucial for managing your Google Workspace account's financial aspects, from subscription types to payment methods and invoice settings. Within billing, you'll need to click on subscriptions. This section gives you a detailed overview of your current subscriptions, including the Google Workspace version you're enrolled in. To get specific details about your Google Workspace subscription, click on the Google Workspace Business Standard option, or any other version you're subscribed to. This specific action takes you to a page that provides details about your subscription type, including the plan you're on and its features. Lastly, for those who are on flexible plans, clicking on the flexible plan option will provide you with all the information about this particular subscription, including payment terms and any other relevant details. Throughout this process, it's essential to keep in mind that Google Workspace offers different versions and plans tailored to meet varying business needs. From Business Starter to Business Standard, each version comes with its set of features and pricing. Understanding the specifics of your subscription not only helps in managing costs, but also in optimizing the tools available to you and your team. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward guide on how to find out which Google Workspace version you are currently using. Remember, managing your Google Workspace effectively starts with understanding the specifics of your subscription. Knowing exactly which version and plan you're on allows you to leverage Google Workspace's features to the fullest, ensuring your organization runs as smoothly and efficiently as possible. Thank you for tuning in, and stay productive.